my pronunciation and my accent is Vietnamese. Okay, the is Vietnamese accent and pronunciation is so many words. So please give my mistake and I will fix later. I study. I hope when I make the 100-day American accent challenge, I will improve some words. I just some words. I not upset the KPI is high. I don't set my expectation is high. Set small thing. So first thing, I want to speak in English every day. I practice speaking English every day. Besides that, I study. I choose the topics I study. That's in the American accent. So I love this. Okay, maybe I say many things. Okay, so I have some word minimal pairs, earth and other vowel. Okay, uh, this is the same in the long sound. Okay, this is okay. First is the word turned firm firm. Okay, it's far tall farm. Okay, part talk far. Okay, so repeat after me. Purse, for, pa, purge, purge, per, pa, turns, torn, time. Okay, let's practice it. The study again, the RPA. I think I forgot for the long time. 3 or 4 years I don't speak in English. I forgot this. I don't use it. So I think I need to improve. You're not too old to learn. You're not too old to study. Let's start now. Small thing, small KPI. Okay, don't expectation the big thing. That is just a small thing. I think so. It's better for ours. So practice a sentence. Okay. So let's use in the sentence to build fluency. So the bird turned towards the earth. She learned the bird were quickly is over her turn to serve the just the nurture here distributor. Watch this video and previous clips slowly and I said this. So this is the first time I read the sentence, so I know so many words I speak wrong, pronunciation and accent is so bad. So after that I will practice and I hope one day I will improve this. So when you speak